Good afternoon to all of you. I just had a clarity session and tarot card reading session with our coach, Dr. Poorani, and it was wonderful. See, the thing is, we have already had our life mastery sessions. We are the graduate, and with 365 days also, as most of us are part of it. So still in our life so much is going on, and we have to handle so many situations which might not be very conducive, as life is not a bed of roses, and we have to deal with the thorns also, manage them equally well. At times it gets too much. So this tarot session, it helped me in clearing the fog that I had in my mind, and showed me a better version, a hopeful version. And clarity session is more for our internal thing, and tarot reading is more for the external factors that affect us. And since I had these sessions clubbed by Dr. Poorani for me, it was very useful, because along with reading the cards and showing me the situation, she also makes sense of the way ahead, goal setting, the steps that need to be taken. So what is the current situation, what is the hidden signs, the divine intervention that we get from the highest power, helping that to interpret. And it altogether, it helps in making an overall sense of our life. And on top of it, I had a gift of angel card session also with her, angel card reading, and it was a kind of overall summary of the tarot cards, and it was something like which you already know, but you need someone to remind you of your own potentials, that what you are and what you can be by going through these steps, by following this path. And when done accordingly, it takes us